Choosing the right product from the market is a hectic job, but don't worry, we've made the task easier by preparing the list of the best ones ready for you. If you want to know more about these models, then click on the links given in the description. Now, let's not waste any more time and get started with the video.
A laptop stand helps you position the laptop in a way that reduces poor posture. It also gives the computer a place to sit and elevate the screen so it can be at your eye level.
Moving forward, we have a great option that gives you excellent value for money.
The Elevator desktop stand for laptops from Griffin Technology elevates your Windows or Mac laptop an additional 5.5 inches, helping to improve the ergonomics of your laptop setup. It will also help reclaim some of your desktop workspace, which can then be used for an external keyboard, mouse, or other accessories. The elevation provided by this stand further allows air to circulate 360 degrees around your system. The stand also disassembles easily for travel purposes, and it is made using a brushed aluminum layout. This elegant and minimal design goes great with any desk decor of your home or office. Griffin Technology also protects the stand by providing users a limited 1-year warranty against defects. The stand is available in aluminum, black, gold, and space gray colors. Elevator further conforms to health and safety standards, making your laptop safer and more comfortable to use all day long.
Up next, we have this fantastic model, which can be an excellent pick for anybody.
The Roost laptop stand, made in the USA, is the lightest and most portable laptop stand in the world. Made with sturdy construction and a flexible design to fit almost all PC and MacBook models, this compact and folding adjustable laptop stand is perfect for computing on the go. Pack up the Roost in your backpack, briefcase, or laptop bag and take it to the coffee shop, office, or meeting. Unpack it and set it up with a portable Bluetooth mouse and keyboard and adjust the height as needed from 6 to 12 inches to give you the ultimate ergonomic workstation on the go. Laptops less than 0.75 inches thick fit perfectly in this portable laptop stand made with quality construction in mind. Work and rest assured that your computer isn't going anywhere while you're surfing the internet or doing business, thanks to rubber insets holding the Roost correctly in place.
If you're looking for a mid-range model, then this next pick is a great option.
The M-Stand laptop stand from Rain Design lifts your notebook 6 inches high so that you can have a better viewing experience. This stand is compatible with most MacBooks, MacBook Pros, and laptops under 10.4 inches depth. It positions the laptop's display to eye level, improving your posture. With a tilting design, it also angles the computer's keyboard so you can still see and have access to the keys. The minimal design of M-Stand requires no assembly and provides stability. To keep your desk organized, a cable outlet is also on board. It comes in 3 different color options: silver, gold, and space gray. Furthermore, the M-Stand is constructed from a single aluminum piece, which acts as a heat sink to cool your computer. Apart from the advantageous technical features, this model also offers an excellent opportunity to decorate any interior with its contemporary design.
Coming up next, we have a versatile model for you. Let's see more into it.
This multifunctional table will be a perfect addition to your office, home, or home office. Use it as a multifunctional workstation, a standing desk for office work, a snack tray for watching TV, a laptop or tablet stand for relaxing in bed, or a food table to enjoy breakfast in bed. Aventry Nito can easily enable quick height changes using 2 auto-lock buttons on each side. Also, you can adjust the surface angle from 0 to 30 degrees by pulling a lock button and releasing it when you get the desired angle. When used in conjunction with a regular desk, it enables you to work while standing, freeing yourself from disorders like backache, neck pain, and stiffness caused by sitting long hours in the same posture. This table is light enough to carry around, ergonomic, environmentally friendly, yet solidly built and durable, having been made of 100% high-quality engineered wood. Apart from being lightweight, it is easily foldable, making it very convenient for you to take it anywhere or even stow away.
Now, if durability is your primary concern, then the next product would be an ideal choice for you.
The LTS50 laptop stand by Samsung offers a convenient and comfortable placement of your laptop computer in live and studio environments. It features a roadworthy steel-constructed design and a portable fold-up design. The The top of the stand features a silicone surface to hold your laptop securely in place and has tilt control for optimal positioning. The position is adjustable from 30 to 47 inches in height with locking latches and a pin lock for increased support. Keep your laptop right at your fingertips and ready to perform. Now you can put your laptop computer anywhere you need it, and we recommend the Samson LTS50 laptop stand to any musician or DJ that requires a computer on stage.
If you've watched this far, I'm sure you'll love this channel. So hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.